beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. I am LaDonna J. If you're new here, hello, hi, welcome. I am LaDonna J. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're not new, hey y'all, what's going on? How y'all doing? For this video, we are going to be doing a reset and recharge for our minds, our bodies, and our soul. So how I like to start this Sunday reset is to go do what I got to do in the bathroom. I'm going to listen to some gospel music. I have definitely been getting back into my faith. I am a Christian. I believe in a higher power. I believe God will make a way out of no way. And this is a quote that I see every day that I definitely go by. Prayer is powerful, which I definitely do believe. I see this every day on my iPad and my phone. This song I absolutely love. I highly recommend it. It speaks so much value. I recommend you guys to go listen to it if you are sad or if you're feeling any emotion. This song will definitely help you. I am a testament to that. So right here, I'm just going to, praise and worship and become one with God and clear my mind. So then once I am done doing that, I am going to go ahead and make my bed. I have to make my bed. My bed cannot be messed up at all. I just feel like once your bed is made, your day is set and you're ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and make my bed, get it nice and pretty, make my room smell good. Then I'm going to go and make me some breakfast. I did a little bit of a ASMR for you guys. I wanted to do something different. Let me know how you guys like that. I thought it was super cute. It kind of worked out perfect. So once I'm done making my bed and getting all that good, I'm going to go and get me something to eat and enjoy the scenery.
If you won't get me a squirrel, I'll get one myself.
So once we have gotten nice and full and, ate and listened to the birds chirp, let the sun hit us a little bit, we are going to brush our teeth and wash our face. This is a soft bristle brush and some toothpaste I received from my job. I will link something close to it down below if I can. It's for sensitive teeth as well as whitening. And then I'm going to use the TheraBreath mouthwash to kill the bacteria. I'll link all the stuff down below for you guys, so don't even worry about it. This is my everyday skincare routine that I do twice a day. Thank God I have not had any breakouts, but I am still suffering from dark marks from the acne from previously. So I am still trying to get rid of that. If you guys have any recommendations, comment down below and let me know. Thank you. And then also Sunday Fun Day is family day as well as relaxation day. But definitely for sure family quality time. We all get together in the living room and we watch some type of a detective show. We definitely love Hawaii Five-O, Law and Order, and NCIS, which is what we're watching here. So we're just chit-chatting and hanging out, basically. Once we are done hanging out, time has passed. I need to do some self-maintenance on myself. If you do not know, I do suffer from PCOS, polycystic ovarian syndrome. I do grow hair on my chin. If you don't know what it is, you're more than welcome to Google it, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll answer to the best of my abilities. But I do wax and I groom my eyebrows and I shave my face, which I do once a month, just because I love the appearance of a shaved face. It feels nice. My makeup applies better. And I only do it once a month because my facial hair actually on my face doesn't grow crazy, like my chin. So I only do it once a month. And then I give my face a little massage or whatever just to penetrate all those oils and stuff in my face. So now it is time to eat. Time has passed, hours have passed, and I'm hungry. So we are making a ramen boil. I got this recipe from Jai Nice on Instagram. If you have any questions, ask me and I'll answer to the best of my abilities. But I just tweaked this recipe to make it what I want to eat and how I want to eat it. I just put some sausage, some potatoes, eggs, and the noodles, and yeah, it tastes pretty good to me, and I seasoned it up. But now I am about to relax my mind and my body and take a nice hot bath.
Tell me why you're crying, how can it be deal? When you gave me something I don't really feel. But you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Can you see me on the edge? I'm nothing. If the world was ending, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Yeah, babe, can you put the time on a rewind? Yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as the rebel comes out. Then you call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence.
All right, beautiful people. Once our minds and our bodies and our souls are relaxed from that nice hot bath, it is time to moisturize our body and do some skincare. I have been loving this Tree Hut whipped body butter in the scent watermelon. It smells so good. It leaves my skin super moisturized, feeling very hydrated, and a bonus is that it smells amazing. I have been going crazy over the skincare routine, considering my skin has been going through it and I've been definitely stressed and my anxiety has been high. I do this twice a day and I definitely feel like it has been working for me. I don't do the oil and the eye serum twice a day, but the cleansing and the cream, I do it twice a day. And I can kind of swear by it because it's been doing something to me. Um, so once we have done all that skincare routine and moisturize our body, I'm going to get in the bed and watch some TV. I normally like to watch it on my iPad, but very rarely I'll watch it on the TV, just because the iPad is smaller and I can toss and turn in the bed. I like to drink some water. Tonight I was feeling bougie, I guess, and drank it out of a wine glass. But I normally drink like a bottle of water and I'll knock out by 10:30, 11. So that is how I relax and recharge for my Sunday to get ready for my Monday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram if you are not already. And until my next one, beautiful people, stay true, stay you, and stay positive. Bye.